Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Mastercard Identity Check for online purchases. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Mastercard website. Look for the Identity Check or Secure Checkout section on the home page. Click on the link that takes you to the Identity Check enrollment page. If you already have an account, log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information. Provide your email address and create a secure password. Verify your email by clicking on the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Once logged in, locate the option to enroll in Identity Check. Read the terms and conditions carefully before proceeding. Accept the terms to continue with the enrollment process. You may be prompted to provide your credit or debit card details. Enter your Mastercard information as required. Next, you might need to verify your phone number for added security. Provide your mobile number and choose your preferred method of verification. You could receive a text message or a phone call for the verification code. Enter the received code in the designated field on the website. After verification, your Mastercard Identity Check will be activated. To use Identity Check for online purchases, ensure your card is eligible. When making an online purchase, select Mastercard as your payment method. Follow the checkout instructions until prompted for Identity Check verification. You will receive a notification prompting you to verify your identity. Complete the required steps to confirm your identity. Once verified, your payment will proceed smoothly. Keep your online security settings updated for better protection. Regularly monitor your account for any unauthorized transactions. That's it. You are now set up to use Mastercard Identity Check for secure online purchases. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.